A job description defines the work you will do, the abilities and equipment you will require, and what job listings desire. The following is a brief description of what work as a data scientist generally entails. Chief responsibilities: collect data from different sources and organize it for research. Process a tremendous amount of data, whether tidy or messy, in order to discover trends and patterns. Develop smart computer models that learn from experience to resolve business problems. Tools and technologies: programming languages, Python, R, SQL, data visualization software, Tableau, Power BI, Matplotlib, machine learning libraries, TensorFlow, Scikit-Learn, PyTorch, big data tools, Apache Hadoop, Spark. A data scientist's responsibilities and job are: obtaining useful information from relevant sources, utilizing machine learning tools for feature selection, model generation and model refinement. Preparing both organized and messy data before analysis. Data scientist skills: if you wish to be a data scientist, you need to acquire valuable skills that are demanded by the majority of organizations. The following are the necessary skills that the data scientist should acquire. Coding skills: learn how to apply coding languages like Python, R, and query languages like SQL. Statistics: be familiar with basic statistics including tests, patterns in data, and data measurement. Machine learning: learn how machines can be trained from data using algorithms such as k-nearest neighbors, naive Bayes, and decision trees. How to become a data scientist: obtain a degree. Think about earning a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, data science, math, statistics, or a related field. Improve core skills: enhance your business, programming, and data analysis skills. Get internships: attempt to obtain internships with companies or organizations that utilize data, like technology companies, research institutions, or consulting firms. Interview preparation: be prepared to respond to questions regarding how you would act in various working environments. Get certificates: you can opt for data science or business analytics certificates in order to demonstrate your skills. Coding and SQL practice: keep on practicing coding, typing SQL queries, and completing actual problems for practice in interviews. How much do data scientists get paid? If you wish to know how much data scientists are paid, you should be aware that they are among the best paid staff in the technology industry. Your salary is largely based on your skills and experience. Data scientists in the United States earn approximately $150,000 in compensation, including bonuses. They earn a base salary, excluding bonuses, of around $114,000. In India, a data scientist makes approximately 11,74,500 rupees annually in gross salary, with the lowest salary being almost 10 lakh rupees. Even in other locations, what you make is based on how experienced you are, where you are, and the company that you work for. Conclusion: to be a data scientist, you have to go through a step-by-step process from learning from scratch to leading teams and making critical decisions. Experience and hard work will take you forward in this exciting career. There are plenty of opportunities to learn and enable companies to excel at data science.